Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and to check the complete playlist in the description below. Today we'll be talking about top 10 announcements made at Google I/O 2018. Google has announced around 100 things at I/O 2018. Here are the top 10 announcements. Google Assistant. The Assistant is getting 6 new voices, which includes John Legend's voice in addition to currently used voice codenamed Holly, who was a real person who spent months in Google's studio to record voice. The most striking feature was Google Duplex, a smart feature which lets Assistant make phone calls for you, which is so real that the person can hardly find out that he or she was talking to a bot. Duplex can make reservations, schedule appointments, and many more such things. Just provide date and time, and your assistant will call the business to coordinate for you. In addition to it, Google Assistant will support a new feature called Continued Conversation. This will allow the assistant to make more natural conversations with you. You won't need to say, "Hey Google" or "Okay Google" after every query. You can just continue your conversation with the assistant without the wake word, and a simple thank you would be a signal for it to stop. Also, to ensure your kids aren't bossy around it, Google has introduced a feature called Pretty Please, in which after every query, you have to say please, so that the assistant can understand and encourage polite conversations from your little ones. For example, "Okay Google, show me Milind Amrutkar's YouTube videos, please." Android P Beta. Google's next major update to Android is out now in beta, which is focused on intelligence, simplicity, and digital well-being. Some of the features included are gestures, adaptive battery, actions, slices, adaptive display, dashboard, enhanced DND, and others. Google's Project Treble has ensured even third-party phones like Nokia, Xiaomi, and Sony can make use of its new OS the same day Google is pushing it out for its in-house Pixel phones. Gmail. Google's new feature called Smart Compose uses AI to help save your time by suggesting repetitive writing while reducing the chances of spelling and grammatical errors in your emails. ML Kit. Google's ML Kit will allow app developers to make use of its machine learning tech, including on-device APIs for text recognition, face detection, image labeling, and more. It's now available in one mobile SDK, accessible through Firebase, and works on both Android and iOS. TPU 3.0. Google's third generation TPUs, Tensor Processing Units, are liquid cooled and much more powerful than the previous generation, allowing them to train and run models faster so more products can be enhanced with AI. It is apparently 8 times more powerful with up to 100 petaflops in performance than last year's version 2.0. Wear OS. Google is rumored to be working on a Pixel smartwatch alongside the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL. Smart suggestions from the Google Assistant on Wear OS will let you continue conversations directly from your watch. Now you can choose to hear answers from your watch speaker or Bluetooth headphones. Just ask Google Assistant on your watch, "Tell me about my day." Actions will be available on all Wear OS by Google watches, so you can use your voice to do tasks like preheat your oven while you are unloading your groceries. Google Maps. Google has mapped more than 21 million miles across 220 countries, put hundreds of millions of business on the map, and provided access to more than 1 billion people around the world. A redesigned Explore tab features everything you need to know about dining, events, and activity options in whatever area you are interested in. Top lists give you information from local experts, Google's algorithms, and trusted publishers, so you can see everything that's new and interesting, like the most essential brunches or cheap eats nearby. New features help you easily make plans as a group, share places with friends across any platform. Your match suggests how likely you are to enjoy a food or drink spot based on your preferences. And the best feature is updated walking directions, which help you get oriented on your walking journey more quickly and navigate the world on foot with more confidence. So when you emerge out of a subway or reach a crossing with more than 4 streets, you will know which way to go. Google Photos. Suggested actions powered by machine learning will start to show up on your photos right as you view them, giving you the option to brighten, share, rotate, or archive a picture. Another action on the horizon is the ability to quickly export photos of documents into PDFs. New color pop creations leave the subject of your photo in color while setting the background to black and white. They are also working on the ability for us to change black and white photos into color in just a tap. Google has also announced the Google Photos Partner Program, giving developers the tools to build smarter, faster, and more helpful photo and video experiences in their products, so they can interact with your photos across more apps and devices. Google News. The updated Google News uses a new set of AI techniques to find and organize quality reporting and diverse information from around the web in real time and organize it into storylines so you can make sense of what's happening from the world stage to your own backyard. The For You tab makes it easy to keep up to date on what you care about, starting with daily briefing of 5 stories that Google has organized for you, a mix of the most important headlines, local news, and the latest on your interest. With full coverage, you can deep dive on a story with one click. This section is not personalized. Everyone will see the same content, including articles, timelines, opinion, and analysis pieces, video, timeline, and the ability to see what the impact or reaction has been in real time. The separate headline section, also unpersonalized, lets you stay fully informed across a broad spectrum of news like world news, business, science, sports, entertainment, and more. Subscribing to your favorite publishers right in the Google News app is super simple using Subscribe with Google. No forms, new passwords or credit cards, and you can access your subscriptions anywhere you are logged in across Google and the web. Google Lens. Google Lens is coming to more apps and it is coming to more phones. Google Lens help you get answers to the world around you. With smart text, you can copy and paste text from the world like recipes or business cards to your phone. With Style Match, if an outfit or a home decor item catches your eye, you can open Lens and not only get info on that specific item like reviews, but also see similar items. Lens now uses real-time identification, so you will be able to browse the world around you just by pointing your camera. It's able to give you information quickly and anchor it to the things you see. Lens is coming to more languages, including French, Italian, German, Spanish, and Portuguese. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share, and comment on this video, which really motivates me to make such useful content for you. Also, don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you, and finally, subscribe to my channel.